girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here. A brand new Adyel actually with this hair. I just got my hair done at the Beauty Lab salon in Santa Clarita, so thank you so much to them and Monica especially for slaying this hair. Later on you'll see some clips of the transformation. But today I'm going to be doing a back to school / college makeup tutorial. You know, back to school season, we feel a little bit more extra. We want to put a little more effort in. So today I wanted to show you how I got this flawless face with just a little bit of pops. Also, I do want to give a huge thank you to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring this video. I've talked about them so many times on my channel and you guys should already know how I feel about them and how much I love them. Today, to help me create this look, I used their curated makeup kit, and this is their Hollow Glam kit, and it came with 3 products that I used for this makeup tutorial. If you don't already know, Deck of Scarlet is a makeup subscription service, and every other month they come out with a palette in collaboration with Artists and Chiefs, and they recently came out with fun things like this, such as their makeup kits. They have lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, all that kind of stuff, and you can click the link down below to get money off your first month at Deck of Scarlet. I love them so much because it's affordable. It's $29.95 a month, and if you don't like a month, you can just skip it. It's that simple. Their items are super high quality, and I'm always creating fun new looks with them, and they encourage me to go outside of the box, so that's why I especially love them. Their products are paraben and cruelty free, and they ship to the US, Canada, and UK. And yeah, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring this video. Be sure to definitely leave me a comment down below on what grade you're going into, and if you're going into college, let me know what college you're going into. If you're excited for back to school, let me know all your feelings on back to school. Also, if you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It is such a fun time around here, and I would absolutely love it if you guys stuck around. But yeah, without further ado, want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. We're gonna go ahead and get started. As I mentioned in the beginning, I just got my hair done. I went a lot lighter. Thank you so much to Monica at the Beauty Lab salon in Santa Clarita. She did an amazing job, and I'm gonna insert some of the clips of her doing my hair.
I'm so excited, and I'm gonna go, I think the lightest I've ever gone. And we're back.
No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Look, handle me. Who gon' handle me?
Oh my god!
Yeah, now we're gonna move on to focus on this makeup. So as I also said in the beginning, we're going to be using this Deck of Scarlet kit, but we're gonna focus on the face first and then move on to this. So let's just hop right into it. Okay, so starting off with a bare face, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm so sorry if this is late, by the way. Since moving to California, I see how like early everyone's starting school, but my whole life in New York, I've started school the first week of September, and now I start school literally in October. So you guys are gonna see, I'm definitely gonna do a get ready with me for my first day of my junior year of college, but that's not gonna be until October 9th, I think. So yeah, I hope this isn't late for you guys. Since I'm a college student, I'm going to be focusing on like college makeup today, and I'm also filming a college advice video right after this. However, I am going to talk about different steps that you can cancel out for high school or for middle school or for anyone watching. But today I'm going to focus on like a natural college look with a little bit of a twist. So if you want to get dressed up one day and do something just a little bit extra, obviously we're not going to go full glam, but I think it's definitely a perfect look for when you want to step out a little, okay? So I just put some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer all over my face now. I've been loving this lately. Okay, so now I'm gonna go straight into my foundation. My die-hard foundation lately has been the Too Faced Born This Way. And actually, since going to Cancun, you can't really tell because like my arms are covered right now, and my chest, neck, and face like don't tan, and the whole time in Mexico I had makeup on, so my face didn't even get a chance to see the sun. But I went from being warm nude to now warm beige, so I make sure when I apply this to really blend this all down to my neck, into my chest, and just all over my face. I've never had like this much of a dramatic difference in foundation. Maybe it's because I always match to my face, but now I'm matching to my body, even though you can't really see my body, but whatever. So yeah, this is like a medium to full coverage foundation, definitely like more on the full side. So it's up to you. I feel like it's everyone's personal preference on what kind of coverage they want for school. If you want a lighter coverage, or you're doing it for high school or middle school, you can completely skip this step. And the reason I'm doing more of a full coverage look today is because for my past back to school makeup tutorials, I've all done them super natural. Like last year was a concealer only look, the year before that was as well. So I decided I wanted to do something a little more extra, especially because I feel like around this time we have more motivation to get ready for school. We want to show off our summer glow up. And excuse me, like while I look crazy in this process, I'm just really trying to, you know. But yeah, if you do not like medium to full coverage, you can switch to a lighter coverage foundation or whatever foundation that you're using, or you can use a tinted moisturizer, just concealer, all that kind of stuff. But I'm sure you guys already know that. So first I go ahead in with this brush, which is an LA Girl 103 stippling brush, and you want to make sure you get under your chin, not just like over here. You want to really make sure you're going to your ear, the side of your neck, everywhere, so that it's not noticeable. Your hairline, especially if you have this problem that I have where your face doesn't tan or your face is way lighter. But now I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Color sponge. This is my new go-to favorite sponge in the world. It is so phenomenal. It's so funny because for me, for my college makeup, I either go literally barefaced, zero makeup. If I come full glam to class, it's because I had just filmed or I need to take pictures or something. Like I try and find a way to multitask with my annoying school schedule, and especially lately it's been especially annoying, but I don't even want to talk about that right now. Yeah, or I just come barefaced because honestly I feel like what's the point of getting ready just to sit through a lecture if I'm not gonna like create any content out of it. But yeah, personally I feel like full coverage for school, like if you want to get ready, is perfect because, you know, at school you're usually there all day listening to annoying lectures and you don't want your makeup to like crust at all. I just raised the brightness and that looks a lot better. And for those of you who just want to wear concealer, this is even more perfect. This is a new concealer by Benefit Cosmetics. It's their Boing Cakeless Concealer and it is phenomenal. Like when I say it's not cakeless at all, and supposedly in the claims you don't have to set it, but personally I just always feel the need to set my concealer, so I've never tried it without setting it. But this is so unreal. I'm in the shade 5 or 6. I've been loving this stuff so much. They also created it for just wearing concealer alone, so if you do not want to wear any foundation, this is perfect for you. I totally recommend everyone tries this. I'm actually obsessed, and for me, a lot of concealers don't usually cut it. Tarte Shape Tape was my favorite for a long time, and then I switched over to the Too Faced Born This Way. This is my ride or die, and now this one I've been using in replacement of this. However, I haven't used this one to carve out my eyebrows yet, just because it is so full coverage, so I am going to use this one to carve my eyebrows out. I'm going to speed do my eyebrows because we all have our own eyebrow routine, and then you're going to watch me put this concealer on all over my face, blend it out, and set with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then actually go Benefit. I'm going to be setting all over my face with this Benefit Hello Happy Powder Foundation. First of all, it's so freaking cute. It has a smiley face. It comes with a little brush. I love this. It just adds a little more extra coverage and color. I'm in the shade 6 and I just put this all over my face to really set it, and it just looks perfect. So after that, I will be back to talk to you guys while we do the eyes and the rest of the face. Okay, so this is the result. Super fresh face, super nice coverage. We have a flawless face base. So I actually do want to start with the face, and the first thing I'm going to do is take my translucent powder, a line under where I'm going to contour. I don't know if you noticed, I also put a line of concealer because it kind of helps, but I kind of have a love-hate with that trick. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It kind of leaves like a lighter color from the foundation over here, so I might stop doing that, but it does help with like a brighter line under the contour. So one of my favorite bronzers in the world is the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. It is literally like so banged up you can't even see the label, but I love this. It has shimmer in it and has two sides, and I would have never normally gravitated towards a product like this. However, I don't know, it just applies so well and you can't really see the shimmer. It's not like a highlighter or like a brick of shimmer. It just creates a beautiful bronzy look. And then my favorite blush ever at the moment is the Sigma Corda Rosa. Aura face powder. It's unreal. Watch as I apply it. I love a lot of blush in general, so if blush isn't your thing, that's fine. But for this fall season, blush is super in. It just adds a bunch of color. And also a trick I learned recently, blush also helps to contour your cheeks. So you can use darker blushes in replacement of your bronzer. But I think it just adds such a healthy flush to the cheeks. Really opens up your face. And then I like to go in with another brush with my bronzer. So I also use the Sun Bunny to contour my nose. I like doing my nose contour with Sun Bunny more than other bronzers just because since it does have that shimmer, it looks a little less harsh and it kind of blends right into the highlight once you put that on your nose. So now I'm going to start by going into this little kit. This is their Hollow Glam Kit, and it comes with a liquid eye glitter, a lip gloss, and a strobe cream. So I'm going to show you guys how to create like a holographic supernatural look. This is still going to be a really fresh natural look, but just with a little bit of a twist and a little bit of a pop for the days that you just want to, you know, do something a little extra. So this is their liquid glitter shadow in Galactic. And so instead of using a highlight on my inner corners, I'm going to use this. This has like a purpley blue undertone, but adds like a little bit of a pop. And I'm also going to just put this on the brow bone. So nothing too crazy, it just gives a little bit more of a pop and something a little extra without being like too extra in everybody's faces. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then there's these strobe drops, which, can I just say, this is freaking beautiful. Like, look at it on my hand. It's honestly breathtaking. However, this is a little bit intimidating for school, and I did read that you can mix it into your foundation or you could put it on just like that, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit of this on the back of my hand and I'm gonna massage it like into my temples, onto the cheekbone, and we're gonna take a normal highlighter after. This is just gonna give a little bit of a cool extra pop, just like the eyes in the inner corners, so it's gonna all like flow together. It's gonna look super pretty, so extra without being too extra. So the temple, just like this little C area. But you know, if we were going to Coachella or something, it would definitely be cool to mix into the foundation. I think that looks stunning. It catches the light. It would be super cool to rub all over your body. But yeah, this is about all I'm gonna place. And then I'm going to go in with the normal highlighter to highlight my nose and the rest of my cheekbones, my lips. So I've been loving this Laura Mercier Highlight 1. It's a matte radiance baked highlighter, and this is so stunning. It gives such an effortless, beautiful, glowy look. So I love to place this on my nose. For my nose shape in particular, I don't like to highlight my entire nose. I like to just highlight up on the top and then up on the tip, because it kind of creates like a more lifted look as opposed to like drawing the attention to the entire nose. Front of the cheek and then into that glow. Just something subtle. Since we already have the pop on the eyes, I don't want to go too heavy-handed with highlight. Y'all know I love my highlight. But since we have this like purpley blue pop going on, I just want like a natural lit from within kind of glow. So I'm blending this with my finger. This highlight does have the potential to be extra though, don't get me wrong. I'm just very lightly applying it. Very versatile. And then I'm taking my big blush brush to blend. And once we spray the face, everything's gonna combine even more nicely. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. You can go natural or dramatic depending on what you like. And since this is a school look, not everyone likes falsies. Let's be real. Some people just like falsies for special occasions. But for me, I wear falsies every day. If I'm wearing makeup, there's not a day that I'm not wearing falsies. And that is simply because lashes wear. Like, honestly, I don't have great natural lashes at all. They're super sparse, super short, and they are like pretty damaged from me constantly wearing false lashes. But honestly, I love my falsies. I'm gonna go with a natural pair today. Like I said, you can switch out or switch up anything you want in this look. So you can just do mascara. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop those on, do my mascara, line my lips, and we will be back. Okay, so I have my lashes on and I lined my lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on this Supernova lip shine in the color Halo, and I'm just gonna put the tiniest bit ever Just because, again, I want this to be natural, but I also want it to look cohesive with the eye. And I'm rubbing this in with my lip liner so that it can look natural. So this is the final look. I love it with the pops of holographic. I feel like it is a subtle way to be a little bit extra but also be natural. It also grabs a little bit of attention from your normal everyday look. Thank you again to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring this video. I'm always working with them, but you guys know I only work with companies that I ride or die for, and Deck of Scarlet is one of them, clearly. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. I had so much fun making this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.